Writing online has been a very big flex for me because this is how I have been able to make my own money online, and of course this is what I love to do. So if you see me preaching how to make money online via writing, this is because this is solely how I make my money online, and I am not even capping right now. So if you want to learn how to make quick $250 online, I'm going to show you two ways you can do this via writing. If you love to do this, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Hello guys, welcome back into the video. Right now I'll be going into my system and I'll be showing you how you can make this money via writing online. Let's go. Hello guys, we are on my laptop right now and the name of this platform is called UWriter. With this platform they have two types of books you can monetize and make money with. The first one is the exclusive contract and the second one is the non-exclusive contract. The exclusive contract, just like the name, says that you will put your book only on this platform and you will make money only from this platform. And the non-exclusive contract means that you can place your book on different platforms and make money on them together. Alright, now let us read the writer's benefit plan for this platform whenever you put your book on them. The first one is the signing fee. When your book reaches some certain criteria within 1 month after signing, you will get these signing bonuses. Number one, when your book reaches the total revenue of $300 after your signing, and your non-exclusive, okay, when your book reaches $300, for non-exclusive contract, you will get $50, and for exclusive contract, you will get $80 signing fee. When your book revenue reaches $500, for non-exclusive contract, you will get $100, and for exclusive contract, you will get $150. When your book revenue reaches $700, for a non-exclusive book, you get $150, and for an exclusive contract, you get $200. When your book revenue reaches $1,000, for a non-exclusive contract, you get $200, and for an exclusive contract, you get $300. Aside from the signing fee, you also get writing bonuses. And from the screen, I will read. You will receive a $20 to $150 writing bonus when you have updated more than 50,000 words in 1 month and your book reaches the following criteria at the same month. Writing bonus are only valid for 6 months after signing. This means that when you sign your book in January, you will stop getting writing bonus from August. Do you understand that? It takes 6 months after signing to stop receiving writing bonus. Alright, when your book reaches the total revenue of $200, you will get, for non-exclusive contract, you will get $20 writing bonus, and for exclusive contract, you will get $50 writing bonus. When your book revenue reaches $300, for a non-exclusive contract, you get $50, and for exclusive contract, you get $100. When your book revenue reaches $500, for a non-exclusive contract, you get $100, and for an exclusive contract, you get $150. It doesn't end there. There is still the completion bonus, as you can see on the screen, the completion bonus. And from the screen, I read, you will receive a $80 to $350 completion bonus when your book total income exceeds $3,000 within 1 year from signing up. This means that when your book reaches 100,000 words, for non-exclusive contract, you get $80, and for exclusive contract, you get $150. When your book reaches the word count of 200 words, for a non-exclusive contract, you get $150, and for an exclusive contract, you get $300. When your book, when your word count reaches $300, for a non-exclusive contract, you get $250, and for an exclusive contract, you get $350. Now, these are the distribution partners that works with the company. They have the app called UWriter. They have the app called Tapon, Bravo Novel, Kiki Story, Romalas. Alright, this is one way you can make money online, and you can make money online via writing. If you like this way to make money online, check the link, the video description. You will see a link to get started with this very first way. Now let us go into the second way you can make money via writing online. Recently, UWriter made an announcement that they are now looking for scriptwriters for their North American audience. They said they want a story with a female lead that deals about revenge, romance, billionaire, and all kind of stuff. I will show you. Let us go on my laptop. As you can see, this is my Facebook account, and I am in their page right now. And this was posted. Let me zoom this out so that we can see this very clearly. Alright, as you can see, this was posted in February 20 at 8:01 a.m. It says, Joyris, this is one of their platform, calls for scripts. Dear scriptwriter, global submissions are now open for short female-centric dramas. About us, we are aimed to create a high-quality platform for overseas TV series with substance and attitude. Gen, revenge, female lead, werewolf fantasy, crime, including and not limited to sweet romance, LGBT, mafia, suspense, thriller. Language, they want English preferably, or they want Chinese. Format, according to Hollywood script format. Total episode, they want 80 episodes. Duration, they want 60 to 90 seconds, since it's a script for phone, of course. Crowd, vertical English mini TV series for North American audience. Now, story requirement. There should be vivid and distinctive characters with a smooth plot and unexpected twists. Number 2, there should be high, sweet, and heartwarming scenes, heart-opening, intriguing plot, sharp pacing, and clear logic of characters and events. Note: please do not include gender discrimination, reproductive insult, or any other forms of derogation. Alright. Email content. Email content. You should submit your story outline, character profiles, your first 3 episodes of your script in PDF format, plus contact information. Reward from $2,000 plus incentive bonus up to $15,000. Email joyris@upwriter.com. I'm going to be putting this email in the video description, so make sure to check it out. If you like this video and if you want to continue seeing something like this, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be among the first to see my videos each time that I upload them. With this being said, I will say I'll see you next time. Goodbye.